It's one of the premier and most efficient conferences to meet other thought leaders in the smart grid space.
You meet utility colleagues in all these different digitization and smart grid technology domains that you can really learn from and exchange information with.
It's such a variety and it's such a quality of speakers and of tracks.
So there are very many interesting topics at the conference, especially SCADA and smart metering would be very interesting to go there more.
What makes this event unique is the high number of participants from utility side following different tracks from digital substations to OT to cybersecurity to SCADA.
Here, the level of the people participating here I found very unique, both in terms of the technical capability of the people here, and also because they cover a relevant position in their company. So you are talking also with people belonging to decision makers, having a great technical capability with whom you can talk.
And we are quite used to this format to meet new people and of course our old friends.
The most important point for me is to see different industrial solutions, really industrial solutions, to see what's going on in the business. We have to solve the same problems all over Europe. Maybe they are at a different stage at the moment, but in the end it's all the same. We have to somehow integrate the decentralized generation.
So what makes this event unique is that it's very European-centric. And so we attend this conference specifically to collaborate with other European customers and vendors.
I'm presenting about offensive cybersecurity strategies, and I'm just trying to share the message that others can join in with us and we can maybe do something on a more national, international basis.
What we found the most useful is definitely the one-to-one interaction that we are able to do either at the Tech Expo, at the booth, so interact with a wide audience. This year was very interesting to also have a demo session.
I think others should participate in SGTech because you are going to realize that you are not alone with your problems and that other people are working on the same solutions that you are working on, and you're going to leverage the solutions that you're going to put into place in your substations.